Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 1-bath, top floor apartment for sale in Ember Bluff in North Riding. It's situated on Mustang Close, which is a street away from Malibongwe Drive. As you can see, it's a 10-minute or 5-minute drive depending on the traffic to the N1, and then Lanseria Airport is also a 50-minute drive away. So I'm pretty excited to show this one to you, so come on right in and have a look. So this is how Ember Bluff looks. You have one carport and plenty of visitors parking. Now to the apartment. The 2-bed, 1-bath apartment has a modern kitchen which has an undercounter oven, stove, double sink, breakfast bar, plumbing for one kitchen appliance, and space for a double door fridge. As you can see, it's a neat and modern kitchen, just ready for you to move in. This open plan design leads you from the kitchen to the lounge, and the lounge, which is pretty spacious, takes you to the balcony. The kitchen, lounge, bathroom and balcony are all tiled. This is the view from your balcony. Balcony is very spacious, has a built-in Braai area as well as your own washing line. The perfect spot for you to host friends and enjoy the sun in the mornings. So let's go back inside. This is the main bedroom. The main bedroom is very spacious. You can fit a double bed, queen sized and king sized. You can also put your work from home space there as well. And then you also have plenty of cupboard space, with space for you to add more if you wish. This is the only bathroom in the apartment, which is a full bathroom with both a bathtub and a shower. You have a loo basin as well as a vanity mirror. So the bathroom has been tiled, kitchen is also tiled, the passage is also tiled as well. Now to the second bedroom, which is the spare bedroom in this case, and where they have their shoe closet. So you can also fit a double bed here and rearrange it accordingly. Some people use it as their home office, and then you also still have cupboard space. This bedroom and the master bedroom have carpet flooring. But that's not all. Ember Bluff also has a kids play area where you have this jungle gym here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2-bed, 1-bath for sale in Ember Bluff. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.